Durgamati is proof that even if you copy a film frame by frame, it can still turn out to be a disappointment. Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And today I want to talk about a film which released on Amazon Prime this weekend. The movie that I'm talking about is the Hindi film Durgamati starring Bhumi Pednekar and Arshad Varsi. Now this is a remake of a 2018 Telugu film Bhagimati which starred Anushka Shetty and Jairam. Now when I realized that Bhagimati was also there on Amazon Prime, I decided to watch both the movies back to back. And what shocked me was that even though I watched Durgamati first and Bhagimati second, I enjoyed Bhagimati more than the Hindi one. Let me not even call Durgamati a remake. This is a copy. This is an exact copy of Bhagimati. Because even if you remake a film, you tend to add certain elements of originality so that it looks a little bit different than the original one. So when I say here that it is a copy, it is the exact copy. It's like the director has pressed Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. And what made me laugh is that both the movies are directed by the same person. So the Bollywood producers actually got on board the same director to remake this film. They must have thought that let us get the same director so that he can exactly make a replica of what he did in 2018. But this attempt was not worth it at all. Every single scene, every single dialogue, situation, be it anything, the placement of the songs, even that is exactly the same taken from Bhagimati. There is not even 0.01% difference in the storyline. The only difference between the original and the Hindi remake one is that the original one has superior performances. I'm not giving out anything about the storyline because this movie has just released, but whoever has watched Bhagimati can give Durgamati a miss, a complete miss. And for those who have not watched the original one, well, honestly, Durgamati is really not worth it. Now, a lot of people might argue that no, we shouldn't compare it with the original one because we should see this movie as an independent entity. But when you have copied every single frame, it's a little hard to miss. The movie is both written and directed by Ashok, who had also written and directed the original one. Now, I think from a creative standpoint, he didn't have to do much while writing and directing this movie. But the only thing that he had to do was bring out really good performances from the actors. And that is where I feel that he missed the beat completely. For people who have not watched the original will feel like the direction is weak at so many points. He completely failed to create the mystery and the horror part of the film. I actually had no complaints with the writing because I feel the story itself is quite gripping. But the execution of the storyline, not great. Okay, credit where credit is due. The score and the cinematography are actually the biggest highlights of this film. The score is done by Jakes Bijoy and I'm already familiar with his work and I really admire him. I actually like the score where Durgamati's scenes are there, but the score fails to give that impact because the performance is so weak. Now I want to talk about these two aspects together because the cinematography and the edit of this film is exactly the same from the original one. So every frame, every camera angle in Durgamati is taken exactly from Bhagimati. So yes, in terms of camera work, it is actually done well, but the cinematographer already had a reference point and there is no newness and there is no creativity shown in Durgamati. Even if the dialogues are same, I feel that if you had shown some sort of creativity in terms of camera work, would have at least felt a little different. Same goes for the editing, there is no newness. Now for a mystery horror film, the pacing needs to be really apt and a little fast because otherwise the audience will lose interest. Here I felt for this movie that the beginning and the end edit was quite good. It is the problem that comes in the middle. There are a couple of sequences in the mid-run of the film that feels stretched and could have been done with. So yes, in both these aspects, there's nothing new that can be seen if you have watched the old film. The performances is where my biggest gripe is. I admire Bhumi Pednekar as a performer, but here in this film, I think she has given her weakest performance till date. My biggest disappointment was Bhumi's acting as Durgamati. I mean, Durgamati is the title role and she had to give her dialogues in a fierce, aggressive, fearful way, but it seemed like she was just shouting. Her delivery was completely flat. And yes, I was comparing it with Anushka Shetty's performance, because where Anushka Shetty was so natural and aggressive and fearful and such a firecracker, Bhumi's performance completely missed the mark. And that made the entire difference in the viewing experience. Arshad Varsi, such a gem of an actor, such a gem of an actor. I love his acting. But like I said before, when you are given a weak script, there is only so much that you can do. And same goes for Jishu Sengupta's character. Like, these two actors did their best with whatever they were given. One of the biggest shockers for me was Mahi Gill's performance. I couldn't believe that this was Mahi Gill acting. Her dialogue delivery was so bad, so poor. It just felt to me that she didn't feel like acting. It was like she was probably doing a favor to the director. But the biggest disappointment for me was Karan Kapadia as Shakti. He was awful, and Shakti is such an important character in the film. He just completely ruined it. Unni Mukundan, who played Shakti in the Telugu version, was far superior, far superior. I felt no connection whatsoever to Shakti's character because Karan couldn't convince me that he was this character. It just felt like he was acting. And this is proof that the performances can make such a difference when it comes to the viewing experience. This actually can be such a great study for the audience. Like, watch both the movies back to back and you can make such distinction when it comes to the performances. I honestly would recommend you to give this movie a pass. If you haven't watched it, no need. I mean, you're not missing out on anything. So yes, those were my thoughts on the latest Amazon Hindi release, Durga Mati. Do share in your opinion on the comment section below. If you have watched this film, what did you think about it? And yes, that was it from me today. If you have come till the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.